Hey everyone, welcome back. We're going to be making slow cooker baked beans from scratch. Today I'm cooking with Tovia. All the components for today's recipe can be found in the description field under this video, as well as a ticker that will pop up in this video. This is going to be a vegetarian recipe. If you want to add bacon to this or any meat to this, feel free. I'm just providing the foundation of the recipe. So I'm going to add, I have celery, bell pepper, and onions that I've chopped up. Just chop them up roughly. You can use 1 pound of navy beans or great northern beans, and I soaked these overnight and I went through and picked out all the bad beans. I'm going to pour in 5 cups of water. Brown sugar. Bullion powder, tomato paste, black pepper, kosher salt, minced garlic. I just love the flavor of garlic. Gonna be adding molasses to this, white pepper, and I'm using liquid smoke. Shout out to Sheila, thank you. And I love liquid smoke. It just gives it a nice smoky flavor, like it's been cooked on the grill. I'm gonna stir. So after stirring everything together, I'm just gonna put the lid on my slow cooker. You can cook this for 8 to 9 hours on high, or you can cook this for about 12 hours on low. So here are my baked beans. So I let them go for about 9 hours, and then I let it cool completely. So we're going to do one final step. These have to be baked. So I'm going to add, make sure you taste it for seasoning, see if it needs additional salt or anything. And I did taste it and I added a little bit more salt to it. So now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add mustard. Just gonna like about a teaspoon of mustard, and you can use apple cider vinegar or you can use distilled white vinegar. So I'm gonna add distilled white vinegar. I'm gonna use about 1/2 teaspoon, and I'm gonna add one final thing. This part right here is optional. I like to add this ham concentrate. This is ham seasoning. This right here is also vegan, so I'm going to add this ham seasoning. I'm going to give everything a stir, and I have my oven preheated at 425 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to just bake this in my oven for about 25 minutes. I just want to reduce this a little bit more and let the color get a little bit darker. Here are my beautiful baked beans. Now I made some of them without mustard for myself because I'm allergic to mustard, but I can tell you that these are absolutely delicious. I did let these cool a bit so you can see that it will thicken back up once you allow everything to cool down a bit. It does thicken up a lot. If you want to take this up another notch, you can add some ground beef to this and some additional spices and just turn this into one of those barbecue bake-out beans that are just so good with all that ground beef and bacon in it. Please try this recipe, add it to your playlist. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please share my video and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and see you guys again.